Here's the opening truth most men never realize. A woman can forget expensive gifts. She can forget where you took her on a date. She can even forget entire conversations. But there are certain compliments that get buried deep inside her emotional memory and stay there for years. Not because they were clever, not because they were romantic, but because they touched a part of her identity that almost nobody sees. Psychologists have found that people remember emotional experiences far longer than factual ones. And when it comes to attraction, admiration, and connection, women are often listening for something much deeper than the words themselves. That's why some compliments create a moment, while others become a memory she secretly replays in her mind long after you've disappeared from her life. And the most surprising part, the compliments women never forget are usually not about beauty. In fact, one of them is so powerful that it can instantly separate you from every other man she has ever met. But before we get there, let's start with the first compliment. Imagine this. A woman walks into a room. Everyone notices how she looks. The dress, the smile, the makeup, the obvious things. She hears the same comments over and over again. You look beautiful. You're gorgeous. You're stunning. At first it feels good, but eventually those words become predictable, expected, forgettable. Then one day someone says something completely different. Someone looks beyond the surface and says, I love how passionate you become when you talk about something you care about. Suddenly everything changes because you are no longer complimenting what she has. You're complimenting who she is, and that distinction is massive. Female psychology is deeply connected to feeling understood, not observed understood. Most people look at her. Very few people actually see her. When you acknowledge her enthusiasm, her curiosity, her drive, or the spark that appears when she's excited, you're validating something much more personal than physical beauty. You're telling her, I've been paying attention. And attention is one of the rarest forms of affection in modern life. Think about it. Years later, she might not remember who called her beautiful, but she'll remember the person who noticed the hidden part of her personality that everyone else ignored because that compliment made her feel visible. And when someone makes us feel truly seen, we rarely forget them. But as powerful as that is, the next compliment reaches even deeper because it targets something most women secretly worry about every single day, even when they never admit it. And once you understand this psychological trigger, you'll never look at attraction the same way again. The second compliment women never forget has nothing to do with how they look. And that's exactly why it's so powerful. Most women spend years wondering whether people truly value them or simply value what they can provide. Their appearance, their attention, their support, their kindness. Many have experienced relationships where they felt appreciated only when they were useful. Only when they were giving, only when they were making someone else's life easier. Which is why this compliment strikes so deeply. I admire how strong you are. Not strong in the obvious sense, not the social media version of strength, the quiet kind, the strength she shows when life becomes difficult and nobody notices, the strength required to keep moving when she's exhausted, to smile when she's hurting, to carry responsibilities without asking for recognition. When you genuinely acknowledge that strength, something unusual happens. You touch a part of her identity that rarely receives attention. Because behind confidence, humor, and independence, many women secretly wonder whether anyone notices how much they actually carry. Think about the woman who takes care of everyone around her. Friends come to her with problems. Family depends on her. Coworkers rely on her. She becomes everyone's emotional safe place. Yet, very few people stop and say, I see how much you're handling. I know that isn't easy. You're stronger than you realize. And when someone finally does, the compliment feels different. It feels personal. It feels earned. It feels real. That's why women often remember these words years later, because they weren't being praised for perfection. They were being recognized for resilience. And recognition creates emotional attachment. But the third compliment is where things become fascinating, because this one doesn't just make a woman feel appreciated, it makes her feel rare. And psychologically, feeling rare is one of the strongest emotional experiences a person can have. Most people go through life feeling replaceable, interchangeable, easily forgotten. Yet, there is one compliment that silently tells a woman, there is something about you that cannot be copied. And when delivered sincerely, it can stay in her mind for an incredibly long time. In fact, number 3 is the compliment that quietly separates attraction from emotional impact. Most men never use it. Most women never forget it. And once you understand why, you'll start seeing human connection completely differently. Have you ever noticed that some people are attractive but completely forgettable, and others leave a permanent mark on your memory even years later? The difference often comes down to one thing: uniqueness. Human beings are wired to remember what feels rare, what feels different, what feels impossible to replace. And that brings us to the third compliment women never forget. There's something about you I've never seen in anyone else. Now pay attention. This compliment isn't powerful because it flatters her. It's powerful because it validates individuality. In a world where people are constantly compared, judged, and categorized, being seen as unique feels almost intoxicating. Social media encourages comparison. Relationships create comparison. Even everyday life creates comparison. Someone is always prettier, smarter, more successful, more confident. So when someone genuinely recognizes a quality that makes her different, it cuts through all of that noise. Imagine a woman who has spent years feeling average. Then someone says, "The way you make people feel comfortable is unlike anyone I've ever met." Or, "Your perspective on life is completely different from everyone else." Suddenly, she's no longer competing. She's no longer comparing. She's simply being herself. Being. And that's emotionally liberating because the deepest human desire isn't always to be admired. It's to be understood. And understanding creates emotional intimacy faster than attraction alone ever could. But now we're entering dangerous territory because compliment number 4 reaches a place most women protect carefully. A place they rarely show strangers, a place connected to vulnerability. And when someone recognizes this part of her, the emotional impact becomes unforgettable. The compliment sounds simple, yet it can create a level of trust that physical attraction alone could never achieve. Before we reveal it, there's something important you need to understand. Many people spend their entire lives trying to appear confident, trying to appear strong, trying to appear like they have everything under control, but beneath that image is another version of themselves. The version carrying fears, doubts, insecurities, silent battles nobody knows about. And the people we remember most are usually the ones who somehow saw beyond the mask. The ones who noticed what everyone else missed, the ones who made us feel emotionally safe, which leads directly into compliment number 4. The compliment that has ended emotional walls, created deep trust, and made women remember someone long after they were gone. And what makes it so powerful is that almost nobody says it. Now we arrive at the compliment women remember long after the conversation ends, long after the relationship ends, sometimes long after the person who said it is gone. Because this compliment reaches beneath appearance, beneath confidence, beneath personality, it reaches the heart. The 4th compliment is, "I feel safe being myself around you." At first glance, it doesn't sound dramatic, it doesn't sound romantic, it doesn't sound seductive, yet psychologically, it may be one of the most powerful compliments a woman can ever hear. Why? Because emotional safety is one of the rarest experiences in modern relationships. Most people feel judged, measured, misunderstood. They constantly wonder whether they are saying the right thing, looking the right way, acting the right way. They hide parts of themselves because they're afraid those parts won't be accepted. But when someone says, "I don't feel like I have to pretend around you," or "I can be completely myself with you," something profound happens. You're no longer complimenting what she does. You're complimenting how she makes people feel. And that's a completely different level of validation. Think about it. Beauty fades, achievements change, circumstances evolve. But the ability to create emotional comfort for another human being, that becomes part of someone's identity, part of their legacy. That's why women often remember these words forever. Because you're telling her that her presence has become a refuge, that being around her feels peaceful, that she creates a space where people don't have to wear masks. And that kind of compliment touches something incredibly deep. But there is one final compliment, the one that quietly combines everything we've discussed, the one many women never hear. And when they finally do, it can become unforgettable. The 5th compliment is, "You've changed the way I see the world." Not because she gave advice, not because she taught a lesson, but because knowing her genuinely altered your perspective. Maybe she made you more patient. Maybe she challenged your assumptions. Maybe she showed you a different way of thinking. Maybe she inspired you to become better. Whatever the reason, this compliment carries extraordinary emotional weight because you're telling her that her existence created an impact. An impact is what every human being secretly longs for. We all want to believe that our presence mattered, that our life touched someone, that we left something behind. When you tell a woman she changed your perspective, you're giving her something far more valuable than admiration. You're giving her significance, and significance is remembered years later. She may forget countless compliments, but she won't forget being told that she changed someone's life in a meaningful way. Because at that moment, she wasn't just appreciated, she was unforgettable. So let's bring all of this together. The compliments women never forget aren't usually about beauty. They're about identity. They're about being seen, being understood, being valued for qualities that exist beneath the surface. A woman may hear that she's beautiful hundreds of times, but she'll remember the person who noticed her passion, the person who recognized her strength, the person who saw her uniqueness, the person who felt safe around her, and the person who told her she changed the way they saw the world. Because those compliments don't just make her feel attractive, they make her feel understood. And in human psychology, few experiences are more powerful than that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more insights into attraction, desire, relationships, and the hidden psychology that shapes human behavior. And remember, people rarely forget how you made them feel, but they never forget the moments when you made them feel truly seen. The question is, when was the last time someone truly saw,